Hello everyone, welcome to this API testing tutorial. The topic is API testing for communication platform Skype.com. Objectives: simulate and test API for a real-time communication platform. Basically, in this video, we will create a virtual environment of a real-time communication platform with four functionalities. Here the functionality is user, message, calls, contacts. Okay. Okay, now without delay, let's start step 1 JSON server. Firstly, go to the file explorer and create a folder. Here folder name is Skype testing. In this folder we are create a file. The file is data.json. In this file we store all data, JSON data, store all those data. File we will create for endpoints like user, message, call and contact. Let's create first user, okay, then message, then calls, and last one is contact. Okay, and now I will skip the writing code because to save the time for now. Okay. Okay, I am done with my writing code. Let's start the server. Okay, go to the command and write a command npx JSON server data and write the file name data.json and enter. Here is the endpoints. Let's check it. Copy it first and paste to it. Here is our data. Okay, the server is started. Now move to the second step. Start with API testing. In this step we will test if our API is working properly or not. Firstly, open the Postman. Open the Postman. Create a collection and put the name collection Skype testing. Okay, and in this collection we will create a folder. Folder name is like user API testing. And user API testing, add a request. Write the request name to fetch data. Okay, and select the get method. In this URL section, copy the URL user and paste it here. Since we already added some data in step 1, we should get a list of user and click on send button. You will get all user listed at JSON. We are done with get method and please save it. Add new request. Add request. Update new data and change it post. Here the same URL, paste it and change the row. Go to the body and go to row, select JSON. Okay, and here we change data. 1 second. Copy it and paste it here. Change ID, update new ID 6 and update username Churchill email is churchill@skype.com. Okay, and send it. Okay, we are now creating a new user by sending a post request. If everything is correct, let's check it on the server. Yeah, here is created updated data. Okay, we will done with post data, and please save it. Now let's create a new request. Add a request. This request is put. Any change in my updated data, like change or update, save it. Here is the same URL and create a body. Go to the raw file and paste it. Put request is used to update completely record. Okay, here is the completely record, and put. In this code I will change the username like Churchill updated, and also change the status busy to online. Okay, apply changes and send the button. Click on, go to the Chrome and check it. Yeah, here is Churchill updated. Add new request. Okay, if I need to update the code, I will write the ID like 1. Okay, and write the code here. In this code I will change the username. Username is Suraj updated, and status busy. Okay, and send it, and go to the Chrome and check it. It's okay. Oh, sorry, here is not. Suraj updated. Check again. Yeah, here is our code is updated. Suraj update. Save the request, put request, and start with next request. Add request. Name it. Request name. Delete code. Awesome. Add a new request. Delete request. Name it. Delete code. Here is the same URL. Delete request is used for remove data from the server based using ID. There is put the ID, whatever the delete code. I put ID 1 and send it. And click on send it. ID 1 will be deleted permanently. Okay, check it. Okay, the ID is deleted. Here is the Suraj ID. We are done with last delete request, and please save it. Where we tested the all CUD operation using Postman. Okay, make sure you will test all the remaining endpoints like message, user done, and message call and contacts. Please confirm the running correctly on your server or not. Okay, in the next step we will automate the test script inside Postman to validate status code. Okay, we'll move to the next step, Postman. In the next step, we will write automate test script inside the Postman to validate status code, response time, email format. Okay, let's move the next step. Go to the get and go to the script. And here write the script. Okay, like script for first script for write a test here. A test help us to automatically check whether the API response is correctly or not. Test 1 pm dot test status code is okay. I am done with test cases, and so as you can see we just wrote 3 tests. First one is check if the status code is 200, means okay. Second is making sure our API is fast under 100 ms 1000 ms. Okay, the third one is validate that all user emails follow the correct format. Okay, you can run the request and send it. So check it, test result, and so you pass or fail. Status code is passed, response time is under 1000 ms, passed, is valid, user has a proper email format, passed. And move to the next step so that we understand why writing test is important and how to write basic test using Postman. Here the third case is okay. We are done with test cases. Now move another part. Another part is data driven testing using CSV in Postman. Okay, we will use a CSV file that has multiple row of data like sender ID, receiver ID, message, etc. And Postman will automatically loop through each row and test the API. Okay, and how to create CSV file. Firstly, create a CSV file. Open Notepad. I need it. Open Notepad. Okay, firstly open a folder and create here Notepad. Create a CSV file. Message.csv. Use .csv. Okay, and enter. In the CSV file, write a code sender ID, receiver ID, message content or status. Okay, sender ID is 1, receiver ID is 1, and message content, hi, how are you today? Okay, like how are you today, or status is read, and save it. Okay, we are done with the code, and next is open Postman. Okay, I'm going to start Postman and set a method to post. Okay, add request and add a new request, set method post, and the name is collection API test. Name it here the same URL. Okay, and go to the body, tab and choose a row JSON. Okay, here we write JSON code for check our response is correct or not. I am writing the code in the body JSON. Okay, firstly create a sender ID. Okay, curly bracket, double curly bracket, sender ID, comma, receiver ID. Okay, I will skip the coding part. Okay, I am done with my code. So why are we writing this code in Postman body? We are using this code like send a post request to create a message and take the value from the CSV file, like sender ID. This means take sender ID from the CSV file and insert it here. Receiver ID, same as above, insert receiver ID from CSV file. Okay, make sure don't send it, please save it. Save the file and go to the runner part. Okay, in this collection runner we check functionality and performance, and please collection API test drag and to put at the center. Select all, select one, not all. select one. Iteration time is like 4, delay time 0, and pick the file from your computer, CSV file. Okay, pick the CSV file, go to the Skype testing, select the CSV file and open it. Here is the preview message like upload to the workshop, and click on the run Skype testing. Now you will see each iteration listed one by one, and along with the response status like 200. Okay, and if you are added test script in Postman, you will also whether the test passed or failed for each row. Here the response 201 is okay. Let's move to the next part. Okay, we are done with our API testing, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with another exciting project. Until then, keep learning and keep building. Thank you so much.